Kung Fu, Golden Dragon is a deadly art of self-protection. This book teaches the basics of Golden Dragon, a new martial arts system. This book contains proven steps and strategies on self-defense. Learn the real skills and experience of street fighting. Learn all about real violence and the effects of the adrenaline dump, how to control your state, pre-fight indicators, and much more. New sets, self-defense techniques, devastating combinations, grab defenses, push defense, punch defenses, kick defense, throws, punching, hand strikes, kicks, kung fu strikes, deadly pressure points, and much more. Darin Martineau has been a martial artist for over 30 years. He is a disciple of 4 Grandmasters of Martial Arts, Grandmaster Jack Fu, Grandmaster Sin Kwang, the Master Joshua Jackson, Master Al Farnsworth. Click the link below to ET this book now.